Did you know one man once challenged 450 false prophets to the ultimate supernatural showdown? This is the story of Elijah on Mount Carmel during Israel's worst drought in history. The rules were simple. Both sides would prepare a sacrifice, but only the true God could send fire from heaven. The Baal prophets went first, dancing wildly and shouting to their silent God. When nothing happened, they cut themselves with swords until blood poured out, desperately crying for hours. Then came Elijah's turn. But here's the shocking part. He made it impossible for himself to win. He soaked his altar with 12 jars of precious water during a devastating drought. The water filled trenches around the altar. Then Elijah prayed one simple prayer. Instantly, fire exploded from heaven, consuming not just the sacrifice, but the altar, stones, dust, and every drop of water. The crowd fell on their faces. All 450 false prophets were killed that day, and torrential rain ended the 3-year drought. One prayer, one God, total victory.